Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to gift an Amazon gift card. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Amazon app. Launch the app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Here you can see the search bar at the top, tap on it. Now you can search for gift cards. You'll see a lot of gift cards in the results, so you can choose according to your preference. There are physical gift cards and online gift cards that you can send. For example, I'll select this online e-gift card. The pros of the online gift card are that it will be sent instantly on their email address or through the text message. You can even change the outlook of your gift card. If you want to make it animated, here you can see animated option. Tap on it and you can choose from it. You can even customize by adding your own photos and videos. But if it's a video, it should be less than 30 seconds. You can select the amount that you want to gift on the gift card. You can even set your own amount over here. You can choose the delivery method, whether it be email address or the text message. After you choose the delivery option, you will need to mention the email address, your name, your customized message that you want to include with the gift card, quantity of gift card, and the date to be sent. After you mention all of those things, you can tap on buy now. And over here, you need to select your payment method. And once everything is confirmed, you will be able to gift an Amazon gift card. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thank you for watching.